Hi, I'm Roberta. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making croutons. It's a great no waste recipe, hardly a recipe at all really. Beautiful olive oil, some salt and some stale bread, which is why it's no waste. Of course you can make it from fresh bread, but it's a great way to use up day-old baguettes or really any bread rolls at all. Now I'm just going to do a few today because I'm using it for a goat's cheese salad, but it's fabulous for canapes, to serve alongside soup, to toss through salads. So I just want about 6, which is what I've got there. They keep really well in an airtight container in a cool place, so make as many as you like. Into a mixing bowl, a very generous drizzle of your favourite olive oil and a good sprinkling of salt. Now the only thing I'd say about the salt is if you're serving them with something salty like a tapenade, you probably don't want the salt, but other than that, a little bit of salt makes them irresistible. Rub, 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 toss, 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 add a bit more oil if you need it. I think I got it right the first time. And then we're just going to spread them out onto a tray or a baking dish. Yeah, maybe I'll add another little drizzle of oil. You do want them well coated because that's what makes them lovely and golden and lovely and tasty. So a baking dish, I like to put some baking paper in the bottom of it just to make sure that it's easy to clean, and you want them well soaked like that. Onto the paper, into the oven, and we'll see what they're like in a few minutes. And here we have them, our gorgeous, golden, hot croutons. I'm going to pop them on a wire rack to cool and try and resist snacking on a few of them. And once they're cool, as I said, you can pop them away in an airtight container. Serve them with soup, with salad, with any dip or pate or whatever you like smeared on top. And you haven't wasted that half a baguette that's been sitting around for a couple of days. Happy cooking.